In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this JAMB economics problems under theory of demand. So I'm going to focus on types of demand. I have 5 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, use the information below to answer this question. When commodity X sold for 25 naira per unit, 50 units of commodity Y were purchased with an increase in the price of commodity X to 50 naira per unit. The demand for commodity Y fell to 20 units. The two commodities can be classified as we have durable and non-durable, substitutes, intermediate and final. Complements. Right answer is option D. They can be classified as complements. Okay, complementary demand. This question, this one says, if a fall in price of commodity K brought about an increase in the demand for commodity Y. Alright. The two commodities are, we have substitutes, complements, composites, derived in nature. Right answer is option B. They are complements. Okay, complements. Next question, this one. So a demand which is positively related to price is true. We have given goods, normal goods, capital goods, ostentatious goods. Right answer is option A. Given goods. Next question, this one, it says, if the price of commodity X rises and consumers shift to commodity Y, then commodities X and Y are substitutes. Option A. Okay, so the last question before I end this video is this one. It says, if the demand for one commodity excludes another, it is said to be competitive demand, composite demand, derived demand, complementary demand. So right answer is option A. It is said to be competitive demand. So guys, this is basically can do problems with different types of demand for your JAMB economics, the subtopic in theory of demand. We practice with 5 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and make sure they give a response. Also ensure the part of our channel membership by clicking the join button. Now you'll be getting premium information and help you to excel your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams. Right, okay, I've been on this, click the link below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.